Good morning, guys. So, my name is Jumel T. Hinaralaw, and our topic for today's video is all about introduction of ICT and its relevance to our society. So, first, what is ICT? ICT refers to the technology used for information processing, communication, and digital content creation. It compasses the broad range of tools, systems, and services. Relevance of ICT in society. ICT has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Its impact is felt across various aspects of society, including economy. Online shopping and digital payments have revolutionized the retail industry. Second is education. Online courses and digital resources have expanded access to education. ICT enables remote learning, connecting students and teachers worldwide. Online libraries, educational software, and multimedia resources support learning. Third is healthcare. ICT supports disease surveillance, outbreak detection, and health policy development. Fourth, social connectivity. Online platforms connect people worldwide. ICT enable remote teamwork, facilitating global partnership and projects. In conclusion, ICT has become an integral part of modern society, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Its impact is felt across various sectors, from economy, education, healthcare, and social connectivity. So that's all for today's video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope you like it.